You know that feeling, right? That digital overwhelm, the endless searching for the right version of a document, the constant switching between apps, your cloud storage, your chat, your project manager, your email. It's supposed to make you productive, but sometimes it feels like it's just holding your files and honestly, holding you back. For years, cloud storage was a revelation. It freed us from local servers, from email attachments, from the fear of losing everything. The SaaS model for it? Unstoppable. But now we're seeing something different, a plateau. The market's saturated. Everyone's competing on price per gigabyte, and innovation feels stagnant. If you're a business leader, an entrepreneur, or even just someone trying to navigate the digital landscape, you've probably felt this shift. The big question is, where do we go from here? Is this the end of innovation for cloud storage? Absolutely not. It's just the end of traditional cloud storage. And in this video, we're going to dive deep into why the old model is vulnerable, and more importantly, how to leapfrog it. You'll discover a revolutionary approach that transforms mere file storage into a proactive partner in productivity, fundamentally changing how you think about your data. Stick around, because by the end, you'll see that the future isn't just about storing your data, it's about orchestrating it. Let's be honest, most cloud storage today is still just that, storage. You upload files, you organize them into folders, you share links. It's a digital filing cabinet. And while that was a huge upgrade from, say, shared network drives, it still leaves massive gaps when it comes to how you actually get work done. Think about the limitations. We've commoditized the act of storing and syncing. Everyone offers unlimited storage or storage for pennies. When features are identical, what happens? Price wars. It's a race to the bottom that no one truly wins. You're probably dealing with feature bloat, too. All these extra bells and whistles that rarely get used, adding complexity without real value. Your team still struggles with version control, with finding the right information in context, and with piecing together disparate bits of data. These aren't storage problems. They're workflow problems. The tools aren't solving the deeper jobs you need done. This is where the jobs to be done framework comes in. It's about understanding that you're not really hiring cloud storage just to save a file. That's a tiny functional step. You're hiring it to achieve much bigger, more complex outcomes. Think about it. You want to protect your digital assets, yes. You want to retrieve specific information quickly, absolutely. But beyond that, you're trying to coordinate collective efforts on shared projects. You're looking to synthesize disparate inputs from your team into one cohesive output. Ultimately, you're looking to accelerate the completion of complex initiatives. See? It's not just about storage. It's about a much larger, more strategic job. And traditional cloud storage often makes deeper jobs harder, not easier, by fragmenting your information and your workflows. Here's the key to truly revolutionary innovation: elevating the level of abstraction. It means moving beyond how we currently do things and asking what is the ultimate job we're trying to get done. Right now, to get work done with information, you're piecing together a dozen different tools: your cloud drive, Slack, Teams, Asana, email. It's like building a house by manually crafting every single nail and brick. The novel approach is to get that higher context job done in a radically different way. One that makes all those individual steps, all those separate tools, disappear. The complexity gets hidden. The system gets the job done better, faster, and with fewer visible features for you. You can already see glimmers of this. Some advanced platforms are creating dynamic workspaces that automatically pull in relevant discussions, not just files. We're seeing early AI-powered search that understands context, not just keywords, automated summaries, tools that integrate communication directly into documents. These are all small steps towards a much larger vision, but they're fragmented. What if they were all unified? This is the Intelligent Data Orchestrator, or IDO. Imagine your cloud storage system doesn't just hold your files, but understands them. It doesn't passively wait for your command. It proactively anticipates what you need, when you need it, and in the exact context you're working in. The IDO isn't about more gigabytes. It's about intelligent synthesis. It automatically pulls together all relevant information for a project, not just files, but chat discussions, emails, meeting notes, external links, into a single unified living view. As you work, it intelligently links related content. Click on a client name and it instantly shows you all recent interactions, projects, and relevant contracts. And here's why it gets truly transformative. Predictive content assembly. Need a new proposal? The IDO, based on the client and project type, proactively drafts a document, pulling in boilerplate, past data, and even suggesting personalized sections. When you publish a report, it understands your stakeholders and automatically distributes the right version to the right people through the right channel. This is a fundamental shift from a passive file system to an active, intelligent layer that works for you. The complexity of managing information disappears, replaced by seamless flow. It means you can focus on the thinking, not the searching or assembling. A groundbreaking product demands a groundbreaking business model. If you're building an intelligent data orchestrator, you can't charge per gigabyte anymore. That's selling commodity infrastructure. You're selling realized value. You're selling outcomes. Imagine paying a flat fee for the successful completion of a project facilitated by the IDO, or tiers based on the level of automation and intelligence provided, not storage limits, or even charging per intelligence unit processed, aligning cost directly with the value-added processing of data. You're selling efficiency, acceleration, and insight. This also means new customer segments. You're not just selling to IT anymore. You're talking to information architects, individuals whose job is literally to optimize information flow. You're talking to team leads who desperately need to streamline collaboration. And you're talking to executives focused on driving organization-wide productivity and innovation. You're selling the future of work itself. So what's your takeaway? The era of passive cloud storage is ending. The future isn't about just storing your data, it's about orchestrating it. By shifting your focus from commoditized storage to intelligent information flow and outcome-driven business models, you can transform your business and truly unlock hyper-collaboration. What are your biggest frustrations with current cloud storage? How do you see the intelligent data orchestrator concept playing out in your industry? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video valuable, don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into innovation and the jobs to be done framework. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.